Yay, Tom Brady.
Ready?
What are you using, eyeliner? Why is it slanted?
I don't know. Is it supposed to go like this, right?
Yeah.
Come on. Do it.
What are you doing? Are you recording?
Yeah!
That's what I wanted to get.
Nice. We're up by 1 point.
Did you like it?
Yeah, you did a really nice job. It was definitely the best video you've made. Your editing skills are getting better. You're doing a better job at telling a story.
Yay! This is the rice Brady tried to cook.
It's oatmeal.
Do you have any advice for future rice cookers?
Not so much water.
Ew, ew. Jake's worried, Jake's worried, Jake's worried. Okay, if you could be any animal, what animal would you be?
A koala.
It's interesting.
Is that it?
Yep. DAB. What? Oh my god!
Look at those skinny legs.
Chicken leg! Chicken, chicken, chicken!
That hurt.
We played how many?
Like that.
Yes, Adrian.
Go ahead.
I didn't hear you. I did not stop farting at work today. Good thing we are opposite ends. It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody looking forward to the weekend. Party, party, yeah, party, party, yeah, fun, 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 fun.
Do you have that Bud Light
Looking
Platinum?
forward to the weekend. Right? Right?
You want to know something funny?
Yes.
I have other footage with you wearing that same shirt. Boo.
It's not gonna work.
Why?
Look, it's too big.
No, that thing's a converter.
Yeah, but look, we don't have that connection.
Oh.
That I have.
Water in the house?
Come here! Brady!
He just can't go in his room.
She had a big plan to push her in the pool, and she ended up going for a swim herself.
I can't even believe that. Like I was cracking up the whole time. I can't believe you didn't see my face when Nelson's telling that story. I'm like, oh my god.
I don't think that could have backfired any better.
Okay, good. Okay.
Wait. Go for it. Yeah, that was really bad. I was expecting more.
Nothing happened. There you go.
car's coming. A car's coming.
Oh, there we go. There, no, no, in the. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I didn't think you'd look in there.
I'm recording. I'm recording. Cause